You spent hours searching for new opportunities, only to find useless methods that promised millions. But instead of using them to get rich, these people just try to sell you a $10 course or book. Seeing these people, you gave up. Don't. Watch this video until the end, because I'll explain how you can actually do it, backed by science. And don't worry, I'm not trying to sell you anything. There is no magic wand. In reality, the things you already see, like e-commerce, selling courses, or starting a YouTube channel, they all work. Every single one of them, but each has its own equation. And if you follow that system, you can earn many times more than your current job. At the core of every equation lies one principle: creating difference. If you're watching this video, I'm assuming you don't have enough money to create that difference with money alone. Still, if you want to make money, it comes down to one simple formula: time times knowledge times skill. That's what determines how much you'll earn. Take YouTube as an example. No matter how much knowledge or skill you have, in the first 3 months, it's almost impossible to make money because the algorithm needs months just to figure out who's actually interested in your content. But if you keep going for a year, eventually the algorithm will trust you and connect you with the right audience. That's when you can start earning. And the best part, this becomes your personal brand. You can scale it however you want and diversify your income streams. Unlike a 9-to-5 job, the more you put in, the more you get out. But here's the catch. If any one of those 3 factors, time, knowledge, or skill, drops close to zero, the whole equation collapses. That's why if you can't bring real difference, for example, just letting AI write your scripts and generate voices to upload 10 videos a day, even if you keep doing that for 10 years, you probably won't make money, because why wouldn't everyone else do the same? And when everyone does, almost no one watches your videos. In fact, ad revenue for such oversaturated content is extremely low. Let me give you another example. I once tried something different, making and selling anime figures, because I was inspired by the shows I watched. I opened an Instagram account, built a website, and started selling in my country. I even spent a significant amount of money on ads. But in the first month, outside of my friends, I didn't sell a single figure. In the first 3 months, I only got 5 orders, and one of them was returned. So I quit. Before I started, I looked at other people in the same business. Some had pretty good sales numbers, but most of them had been doing it for more than 2 years. One of them even built a whole anime community, hosting online meetups, bringing people together, keeping them engaged. That was their difference. Consistency, community, and real knowledge. That's why they succeeded, and I failed. My failure didn't mean the method was wrong. It just meant I didn't set up the equation properly. For now, I won't add happiness into this equation, because my friend, life is already harder than math. I don't want to complicate the formula even more. But once you can cover your basic needs with a job that gives you freedom, maybe then you can add happiness or peace as another variable. That's the perspective I wanted to share with you on how you can actually make money online. Thanks for watching.